Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can access and open the task manager in your Opera browser. For example, to monitor the CPU and RAM usage of different tabs or websites that are open in your Opera browser. So this is how you can do it. Let us dive into this. Open up the Opera browser, and what you need to do, guys, is click into that icon in the top left, navigate to developer and click into task manager, or use that shortcut here. After that, you'll be redirected to that task manager, so you may move it here and then switch between tabs and extensions, the browser itself, all tasks, and then you may browse through that list and see which tabs and extensions are using how much CPU, for instance, and you will see the task name to the left. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.